Today I'm going to make a cucumber juice. Let's see how to do it. I got 2 cucumbers for my juice. Normally I peel it like this. Many benefits of the cucumber juice. Actually, it helps in detoxifying the body and assists in balancing hormones and improves immunity, improves skin and strengthness of the bones. What else? Keeps your height without doing dehydrate, keeps it hydrate and helps in managing weight loss, helps in reducing hair falls and lower blood pressure, helps with cholesterol. What else? Improves your sleep and improves your skin and improves the immune strength in the nervous system. Like this, so many benefits in the with this cucumber juice, so I like so much. Actually, I am drinking like this juice once a week with rest of the other juice. Oops, my God. Sorry. And some bit of salt. Now I am going to add some water. Now my cucumber juice is ready to drink. I am not going to add any ice cube or something because I just collect cucumber from refrigerator. So now ready to drink.